talk about the difference between inductive and deductive. Okay, so for this first one it says, all of the signature items on a restaurant's menu shown are noted with a special symbol. Kevin orders a menu item that has this symbol next to it, so he concludes that the menu item that he ordered is a signature item. Okay, so we want to know if that's an example of inductive or deductive. So what we think about is this something where he's guessing and making a conjecture himself, or is it something that is a rule or something that has been told where the premise is true to begin with and he's just applying that? So when you think about this, since the signature items have this special symbol, that is a premise that we already know is true. So because that's true, he can go ahead and conclude that if he orders something with that symbol, it's a signature item. That is an example of deductive reasoning because he did not create anything on his own. He used the premise and then applied it. All right? So let's look at B. It says, every time Raul goes to a restaurant on Thursday, cheese supreme is the special. Raul goes to the restaurant on a Thursday, so he concludes that cheese supreme will be the special. So what you have to ask yourself is there a premise that says that cheese supreme is always the special on Thursday? And the answer to that is no. Raul is creating this conjecture on his own, and that conjecture may or may not be true, but because he's creating it on his own, then there could be a counterexample that would prove that wrong. So this is inductive reasoning, and all it would take would be for him to go on a Thursday and they're serving, I don't know, something else, like oatmeal. And then if he goes on a Thursday and it's oatmeal, then that proves his conjecture wrong. And so then he knows that his premise that he thought was right is not correct. Okay?